Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone managing diabetes or looking to lower their blood sugar levels naturally. We'll explore the benefits of incorporating certain vegetables into your diet and how they can make a significant difference in your overall health. We're going to break down the top 7 vegetables that can help you beat diabetes and live a healthier life. These vegetables are not only nutritious but also delicious and easy to include in your daily meals. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips and advice. Stay tuned because we have a lot of exciting content coming your way. First up, we have bitter melon, a true hero in battling diabetes. This unique fruit is not only packed with nutrients but also has a long history in traditional medicine. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping your body use it more efficiently. These compounds can lower blood sugar levels by increasing glucose uptake in cells. Some studies even suggest it may help your pancreas produce more insulin. Enjoy bitter melon stir-fried, juiced, or added to soups. Its versatility in cooking makes it easy to incorporate into your diet. Give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Next on our list is okra, a fiber powerhouse. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, preventing dramatic blood sugar spikes. Okra also contains myricetin, which improves insulin sensitivity. Add okra to your diet steamed, roasted, or pickled. Let's talk about spinach, the leafy green superstar. Spinach is low in carbohydrates and packed with fiber, crucial for blood sugar control. It's also rich in magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Load up on spinach in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Broccoli isn't just fun to eat, it's a true warrior against diabetes. It contains sulforaphane, which improves blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Steam it, roast it, or enjoy it raw with a healthy dip. Kale, the queen of greens, is bursting with antioxidants. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage and help manage diabetes. Kale is also an excellent source of fiber, contributing to its blood sugar lowering effects. Don't underestimate the power of crunchy sweet carrots. Carrots have a low glycemic index, resulting in a gradual rise in blood sugar. They're rich in beta-carotene, which improves insulin sensitivity. Munch on carrots raw, roast them, or add them to soups and stews. Last but not least, we have bell peppers, vibrant and versatile. Bell peppers are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them great for blood sugar control. Packed with fiber, they can be enjoyed as a snack, stuffed, or in a stir-fry. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and useful in your journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring, and you never know who might benefit from this information. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can make a real difference in managing your blood sugar levels. They are packed with nutrients and can help you maintain a balanced diet. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and updates. We regularly post content that can help you lead a healthier life, and leave a comment with your favorite vegetable for managing diabetes. Your feedback helps us create better content for you.